Welcome to ZAQI'S English. This is Anna. Anna is a young girl. She is 10 years old. She has a mother and a father. She has one little brother. His name is Alex. Anna wakes up early in the morning. She opens her eyes. She smiles. She says, "Good morning." Anna gets out of bed. She opens the window. She sees the sun. She says, "Hello, sun." Anna goes to the bathroom. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her hair. Anna likes her hair. She says, "I have nice hair." Anna goes to the kitchen. Her mother is in the kitchen. Her mother cooks breakfast. Her mother says, "Good morning, Anna." Anna says, "Good morning, Mom." Anna eats her breakfast. She eats breads, eggs, and fruit. She drinks milk. Anna likes apples. She eats one apple. Anna is happy. Anna takes her school bag. She takes her lunchbox. She says, "Bye, Mom." Anna leaves the house. She walks to school. She sees her friend Mark. Mark says, "Hi, Anna." Anna says, "Hi, Mark." They walk together. Anna smiles. Mark talks with Anna. He says, "I have a new pencil." Anna says, "Nice. I have a new pen." They laugh. They see other children. Anna says, "Look, there is our teacher." Mark says, "Let's hurry." But Anna stops. She looks in her bag. She is not happy. Anna says, "Oh no." Mark says, "What is wrong, Anna?" Anna says, "I forgot my lunch." Mark says, "Do you want to share my lunch?" Anna says, "Thank you, Mark, but I will go back." Anna runs back home. She opens the door. Her mom says, "Anna, what is wrong?" Anna says, "I forgot my lunch." Her mom smiles. She says, "Your lunch is on the table." Anna sees her lunchbox. Anna says, "Thank you, Mom." She hugs her mom. Anna leaves again. She runs back to school. She sees Mark again. Mark says, "Did you get your lunch?" Anna says, "Yes, I am happy now." They walk together. Anna feels good. Anna says, "Today will be a good day." Mark says, "Yes, let's go to class." Anna and Mark go to class. They sit down. They smile. They are ready to learn. Anna loves school. What about you? Can you answer these questions? Write your answers below. What did Anna forget? Who is Mark? What did Anna eat?